Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on road work alert on the Yandex Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and click to the three line at the upper left corner of the home screen. Click to the settings, click to the map and interface, and here go to the last option, the road events. Go that. If you use the alerts function, you can find the different options, and in the all mode section you can find the second button, the road work. Actually I don't use this function, but if you want to turn on, click to the next gray circle, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.